Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I promised someone I would try to help them with this. This is their piece of artwork, and it's got 4 sharp corners and 1 flat corner. And just you're watching this, I flipped it upside down, and I've tried everything in the book. So that's one reason I'm making the video. If somebody has to chime in on why that is, I've tried everything I know, but I made a couple really easy that are pretty close, and this one's probably the closest. I just took basically the 2-point curve, 3-point curve line. I don't know why I always call it 2-point curve. And I basically got the shape of that, his drawing, and got it pretty close to the same angle. Then let's move that out of the way, and then I Control D and made a duplicate, flipped it, Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm holding down the control button, so flip it again, and then take the shape tool, select all this, and for some reason it's not selecting that. Hold down the shift tool and you select everything, and then apply to close the nose. He's got it on automatic fill. And that's pretty close, but when you go to basically a 2-point line, you get 4 flat corners. So to get away with that though, go back to the pen tool, use the mitered, and use the inside pen position, and you get 4 sharp corners. I think it actually looks better than the one he had. So what I would do is to put it exactly where it is, and there again, I don't know what millimeters are, but move it there, nudge that 4 times out of the way, take this one and delete it, because if you want your drawing right back where it was, that's pretty good looking. Hope that helped, hope that answered some questions. And then you've got one more over here, but do the same thing, just make a duplicate of this, Control D, move it over there, get it on top of each other. You're still selected on your new one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your old one. Sometimes it's easier. And here's one of the things I noticed, if somebody wants to chime in, the handles are below the point and inside the points, but on this they're at the bottom point. That's a clue of some sort. But anyway, I think we got all the other notes cleared up, and I think that actually looks better anyway. And in the picture he sent along with the file, they almost look like triangles. Or not triangles, but elongated diamonds. And that could be very easily done too. You know, if you don't think that looks quite right, you could stretch it, or just start off with a diamond shape, or a rectangle, and draw it kind of loosely, and then without the control button, that would bug me to death, and then turn it on an angle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.